Are you wondering what that cracking sound is at the chiropractors? Is it snapping of bones? Why does it crack? My name's Rufford. I'm a chiropractor at Green Tree Chiropractic, and I'm letting you know that the crack is the sound of the joint space opening up. It's a suction sound, it's a little cavitation. There are no bones being broken or cracked. It's merely the movement of a joint that needs to be freed up through a chiropractic adjustment. The sound is not the therapeutic bit, it's the movement that's the therapeutic bit. You can get a fantastic result with a chiropractic adjustment without the crack. But many of the manual techniques in chiropractic ensure the therapeutic input by getting enough movement that creates a fast separation of the joint surfaces, and you get a crack. At Green Tree Chiropractic, we specialize in a sense only low force chiropractic adjustments. We don't do any manual adjustments. We use the ArthroStim, which gets the movement into the joint that we need to free up with a 12 to 14 hertz pulse that sends the inputs into the nervous system, lets the body know that that joint's moving again. We also couple that with infrared, which amplifies the body's response. And we think that's a pretty good service to the public, especially for people who are worried about having their bones cracked. If that sounds of interest to you, please reach out. Let us know how we might be able to help. Go to greentreechiropractic.com.au, book a free discovery call. We look forward to helping you in the future. Take care.